Hey, hello guys, welcome to Radix Subject channel. Till last class we had discussed about the checkbox and radio button and all, right? So, in this session, we are going to study about the text area and how to upload your resume and all. Okay, fine. So, without any further delay, let's begin. So, now this is one field set. One more field set I'm going to put field set. Okay, under field set, I'm going to write the legend. Okay, legend part and other details. Other details. So what other details I can fill? I will fill one short bio. Okay, label for bio. Clicking one short bio. Next I'm going to give one text area. Okay, text area where name I'm going to give it as bio. ID going to give it as the same thing as of for. Okay, I'll specify something that is called as rows. It should be 4 and calls. It should be that is column. Okay, it should be 40. Okay, and I'll give one placeholder. Otherwise, the new people could not understand. Okay, write about yourself. Okay. Now text area, yeah, it's done. Next, I'm going to apply the break tag. Yeah. Next, I'm going to tell you how to upload your resume. Okay. Resume, upload, resume. How I'm going to upload? That is input type equal to what type it should be? It should be of file type, right? Then I'm going to give one ID. ID I'm going to give a same as that of what I have given for. Then I'm going to specify the name. Okay, name I'm going to give it as, let me give it as resume only. Here you can choose the file. Okay, when you click this button, no, you'll be redirecting to your file section. So field set is over. Okay, at last I need to specify the button. Okay, button. Let me specify button type also here. Okay, I'll give it as submit button. Okay, fine. Then button, I'll give one more thing, that is type equal to, let me give it as reset. Okay, then reset. Okay, form is over, body is also over, HTML is also okay. Now what you need to do, reset means what? What does this reset do? Think about yourself for about 1 second also is more than sufficient. What do you mean by reset in HTML? reset tag in HTML, what does it do? Uh, so for example, you need to whatever you have written that is wrong, okay, you just need to reset, or what you need to do, that will allow the user to clear all your input fields, okay. And what it will do, it will also help to revert them to their default values, okay. So this can be used with the help of your reset button. Fine. So okay, only so much. So this in this video you have learnt about the field set. What do you mean by field set? What do you mean by legend? Okay, what do you mean by checkbox? What do you mean by radio button? What do you mean by the button type and all? Okay, one submit, one reset. Okay, if you can also explore more by doing some other forms. Like you can explore using the birth certificate form, or you can do it using the several other forms will be there, right? Like a feedback form, okay, feedback form is also there, you can do, okay. Fine. Here also you have learnt about the date, okay, here the date of birth means what kind of date, see here, you're able to see now, okay. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.